Hey, what's up guys, welcome to FineGap YouTube channel, and in today's video I will teach you how you can create a developer account on GitHub. When you apply for a job in big tech companies, they often ask you for your GitHub profile. So it's better to create a developer account and upload your projects that you can do on your GitHub so you can get a job in big tech companies. Without any delay, let's start. First of all, I will open the Google and search here for GitHub. Here you will see the first link, github.com. I will open this and you will see this beautiful page with beautiful user interface. Now you will see a sign up button here. Just click on this. After this, you will see this screen and it will ask you to enter your email. So I will type my email here and click on continue. Next, it will ask you for a password. So I will enter my password here and next click on this continue button. Next, create your username. Make sure your username must be a unique name. So I have typed here my username and next you have to click on continue button, and here it is asking for give us product updates. So I don't need this, that's why I will type here n mean no and click on continue button. Next, this is asking me to solve this puzzle, so I will click on start puzzle button. So I will choose this one. It is again asking me. I will select this one. Again I will click this one. So friends, after completing this verification, you can click on create account. If you did not able to solve this captcha, you will also see a button to listen a sound and press that what this website will ask to you. So you can select which is easy for you, and next click on this create account button. Next, they will send a verification code in your email. You have to enter here. So I have typed my verification code here by getting it from my email. Next, you will see this screen. From here, it is asking you that how many team members you are working. Then in my case, I will select just me and I will select I am a student and click on continue button. From here, you can click on any of the service if you want, but from now I will just click on continue. And it has a free plan and it has a premium plan. Premium plan is for enterprise level companies. We don't need this because we are student. We will just choose their free plan. So click on continue for free. And next you will see this screen. It is moving us to our dashboard. So friends, here you can see that our dashboard is open. From here you can see your profile, and from here you can see your profile. From here you can click on repositories if you upload any of these, your projects and all the things. So friends, congratulations, you have created a new GitHub account. I hope this tutorial would be helpful for you to create a new GitHub account. If you have any question, you can ask us in the comment section. We will try to answer your question. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel for our regular videos. And finally, thanks for watching.